Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Roblox Studio on your PC or laptop. To do that, log into your Roblox account. So you simply want to head over to roblox.com, sign into your account, then click on create from the many options here. Once you click on that, it's going to take you over to Roblox Creator Hub, and you will look right here under the home where it says get started. It's going to say get Roblox Studio. Download. Click on the download, guys, and you will see that it immediately download on your PC. So right here is a exe file. You can double click on it or click on that, and it's going to pop up and install on your PC. And as you can see, mine is currently installing, and so we want to wait for this to complete. And here you can see, guys, that it pops up, and we want to go ahead and log in, right? So you can simply go ahead and enter your credentials that you have, and once you log in, you will be able to run it. But as you can see, the application is here on my PC, and that's all there is to it, guys. That's how you go ahead and install Roblox Studio on your PC